Welcome back to my channel, Vlog with Rubaina Preeti Patni. That's today's video is all about essentials in a very small purse, and you can always be well organized even if your purse is small. And this is a very handy purse which I have and I carry it almost every day. Let's see what I do carry in my bag, in my purse, all my essentials. Let's take it out and let me show you what I carry. That's a makeup pouch which I carry, very important. That's the earbuds which I for my phone, and here's the foundation, and definitely you can see the wet wipes you need to have because humidity in Bombay is a lot, so you need to have wet wipes always. Even if your purse is very small, you need to carry that too. Always important. That's a very well organized pink color. I have this for my cards and money, any paper, whatever you want, you can always keep it there. It's very, very, very nice small pouch. That's the tissue. This is a roll on, very important for girls to carry some perfumes and invest in good roll-ons. That's a mask, mandatory mask, and definitely goes in the essentials now. Now that's the cool mint because you need to carry that. If you are a social person, you need to definitely carry the cool mint and mouth fresheners. If you are having migraine, so you need to carry the roll on like me, a reading glass, a coin purse, and definitely the sanitizer which I just saw. I You have to carry a sanitizer. It's important because of COVID times. There you can see this pink color pouch. It's an organizer basically for cards and money, and you can keep a paper. You can keep a lot of things important because even if it's a small purse, essentials are necessary. You can That's the coin purse where I keep the coins, and I keep a lot my house keys, so it's well organized. I don't have to really search here and there. And definitely these organizing purses are very important that you invest correctly. That's my makeup pouch. I am a makeup lover, so definitely I will have, even in the small purse, I do carry my makeups. That's the eye pencils and a lot of stuff like the foundation, the eye pencils, that's the eye glitter, and anything which I love to carry. And if I have to go anywhere, I can always get ready and go. That's the eyeliner, mascara, everything you will find in that small pouch. If you understand how important organizers are, you need to always keep your essentials with you. That's the lipsticks, basic colors I keep: pinks, nudes, and reds, and definitely the lip liners which goes along with it, the brush, and that's a good investment. You should always have a small perfume, so that's important that you always carry it along with you because humidity in Mumbai especially is a lot, and it always adds up to your fragrance in your life, wherever you are going. So you're always well smelly, and you're not smelly, and you're not you just need to be always good smell. So I do carry all that, and that's I just got it back because being alone taking this video, I just thought I should make this video because I was getting my purse organized, so I just made this video very quickly. And sorry for the all the clumsiness because I do it alone. I hope you guys understand, and just take this as a helping video for you all to organize your essentials in your purse, even if it's small. So I hope it's just what I do daily in my life. I'm just showing it to you so that y'all can it can may help you guys, and I hope it helps you guys to organize your purse. And there I'm putting everything. I have one in one hand I have a camera, and in the other hand I'm trying to put all this stuff which is just a little bit here there I'm putting, so that I can show you that all this stuff you can randomly put it. You don't even need to put it like just on like size wise. Even then also it will go, and you can close the zip. But these are essentials. Even a small bag, if you are well organized, you know what you have, and you invest in good organizers and stuff, you will always be well equipped with things. In a weather like Mumbai, you need all these things. COVID times, you need all these things. So hope you guys this video helps you, and thanks a lot for watching. And definitely, if you like it, do let me know. And you can see the size of the pouch. I'm just showing you, ready to go. That's a thumbs up from my end, you guys. I hope you all guys enjoyed it, and it's a little small effort from me, because I was doing this purse, organizing my purse right now. Oh, I see something left. Okay, so I get that thing also getting in my purse, and I have done it so easily. You can see even a purse with just two place where things can be hold. So please understand.